two trusted travel insurance giants, but only one can take the top spot. Which one truly has your back? On one side, the adventurous, flexible world Nomads. And on the other, the reliable, globally recognized Generali global assistance. Let's move past the marketing talk and dig into what really matters. We'll break down each area, award points, and at the end find out who stands above the rest. The winner could surprise you. Now, hear what we're going to compare. Imagine this like a mind map on the screen. We've got price and value, then coverage, flexibility, claims and assistance, adventure and activities, family and group options, and worldwide support. So if there's a specific thing you care about, stick around because I promise there's something in here for everyone. First up, price and value. Alright, World Nomads is honestly super attractive for young solo travelers and adventurous types. It's affordable, that's a huge plus, and you can even adjust the coverage length, which is great if your plans aren't set in stone. But heads up, if you're traveling with family, it won't be the cheapest option out there. Now, Generali Global Assistance comes in with those tiered plans from basic to all-out luxury coverage. Value really ramps up with their higher-end plans, but yeah, the basic plans can be pricier than average. On the price front, World Nomads edges it out if you're young and solo, so they win this round. Let's talk coverage. World Nomads is actually pretty impressive. They cover 180 plus countries, and adventure sports are included as standard, which is actually rare. The cons: not the best if you have pre-existing conditions, and US residents don't get quite as many choices, which feels kind of limiting, right? Okay, Generali on the other hand is like the all-rounder. You get super comprehensive coverage, medical, lost bags, trip cancellation, you name it, with strong perks for anyone with pre-existing conditions. The only thing, not as many niche adventure sports. So overall coverage-wise, Generali definitely takes the gold here. Now, flexibility. This is where World Nomads really shines. Buy and extend your policy while you're literally on the road? Yup. It's built for digital nomads, one-way travelers, people who change their minds a lot, like honestly that's most of us these days. Sometimes you can't upgrade mid-trip, but overall it's hard to beat that freedom. Meanwhile, Generali does give you a bunch of plan types, great for families and seniors, and you can customize the trip coverage. But here's the thing, you have to buy before you leave, and making changes or extending your plan can be kind of rigid, honestly. So World Nomads walks away with the win when it comes to flexibility. Oh, and here's something cool, or actually kind of wild. Did you know the very first travel insurance plan was actually issued way back in 1864, and it only covered rail passengers? Imagine needing a special policy just to hop a train. Alright, claims and assistance. So World Nomads, you get an online claims portal, which is nice, and 24/7 emergency help, which is pretty much a must. But there's a catch. Reviews are mixed on how fast or smooth claims actually go, and some exclusions might make things drag out. Generally though, they're known for handling claims really well with multilingual support and even concierge services. The downside is you may have to submit a mountain of paperwork. Still, when you need help most, I'd rather have Generali support, so they're the pick for assistance and claims. Next is adventure and activities. Now, World Nomads basically owns this category. They cover almost every adventure sport you can dream up. Seriously, it's why backpackers and adrenaline junkies love them so much. The only time you might need an add-on is for something really wild or niche. On the other hand, Generali covers the basics and you can add more, but it's just not as extensive for crazy activities. If your main vibe is adventure, World Nomads is easily the winner here. How about family and group? With World Nomads, yes, you can cover dependents, but it's not super tailored for multi-person or older traveler trips. It feels a bit basic, but Generali, this is kind of their thing. Family members, sometimes even kids, are covered for free on some plans, and they don't forget about seniors either. The catch is, the rates do climb as your group grows. Bottom line, if you're rolling with the whole crew, Generali definitely comes out on top. Finally, worldwide support. So World Nomads gives you multilingual assistance 24/7 wherever you are. That's solid, and honestly, I'd expect nothing less. But Generali just goes the extra mile. They've got this global emergency response network, evacuations if you need it, concierge help for all kinds of travel hassles. Like, it's almost a personal assistant on call. So in this last category, Generali wins again. Quick recap, if you look at the radar chart, you'll spot some patterns. World Nomads is totally built for flexibility and adventure, while Generali scores highest when it comes to coverage, claims help, family features, and honestly, those extra perks. So yeah, bottom line, if you're a backpacker, digital nomad, or just the adventure first, plan later kind of traveler, World Nomads is probably your best friend. But if you're traveling with family, worried about claims, or just like that extra peace of mind, Generali Global Assistance is super hard to beat. If this helped your search, stick with us for more breakdowns and travel insurance insights. Let us know which kind of traveler you are, and hey, subscribe or follow so you never miss another tip.